All right, so in this video, we're going to do a little bit of a deep dive into assignments. So let's just go to courses, and I'm going to open up one of my archived courses because right now none of the courses have assignments yet. So to do that, I'm actually going to have to go back to my old account. But I'm going to go into my courses, and go to archived, and I'm going to open up Ms. Barnhart's 2B class that I was in, and let's just look at Unit 4, and let's look at, I don't know, trying to find a good assignment that I can use as an example. Well, the first thing is using tests. So if you have tests and quizzes, tests and quizzes are pretty easy actually. So all you do is you click on that, and you can, right now, obviously I can't resubmit because I've already completed the test, but you can start on the test. There will be a start button here, and you can start on the test completed with the given time requirements. And once it's finished, your grade will appear right here. And if your teacher has feedback, they can your teacher can put it in the comment section right here. So that is available. So those are for assignments like quizzes and tests. Now, going back to assignments, if we have an assignment like find spirals, right? This is not something you would submit. This is just an assignment that you need to make sure you complete. Like it's just a task that you need to get through. That's why there's not going to be a submit assignment button here. There's also other types of assignments like New Year, New Me. So sometimes in the assignment, the teacher will put a file for you to complete. So you can view the file directly through Schoology. And this is the New Year, New Me assignment that we did. And you can actually directly access the file right here and download it and then work on it through there. There's one more type of assignment where you can actually upload files. So I'm trying to find something like that. So let's look at MockUp or Storyboard. Okay, perfect. So this is a perfect example of this. So this is an assignment where the teacher has provided instructions, examples for what to do. This was for our Fahrenheit 451 project. And these are just things that I submitted. And this was the poster. This is how to access previous submissions. You can actually resubmit assignments. And after you submit the first time, you can look back at your previous submissions to see what you did. And let's just look at my first revision and see. So this was my Water Society Blaze. Okay, so this was my first draft. There was a lot of stuff I wasn't happy about it, so that's why I went ahead and re-uploaded it. So looking at revision 2, okay, so never mind. So this was not a revision. This was actually my works cited. So that's another thing you can use this for. You can use the revision tool to submit multiple files. Okay, so that's something you can do. There's also a new portfolio feature that we didn't have when we were working on Schoology earlier, but there's a new portfolio feature where you can add your assignments to your submissions to particular portfolios. So right now I have an untitled portfolio and I'm going to add it to that. And now if I go to the portfolio, I can see that it's been added to this portfolio. So the way you access portfolios is by going into your profile. So you can go to click on my profile, and if you go to portfolios, you can access your portfolios here. I don't generally use portfolios because I'm more concerned about submitting the assignment, but that's an option. So once again, you can view the file to learn more about the assignment. And then if you're ready to submit your assignment, what you're gonna do is click the submit assignment button, or in my case, since I've already submitted it, resubmit assignment. If you've connected to your Google Drive using the resources video, I encourage you to check that out. Look at the resources, connect your apps, and once you've done that, you can actually use your file. So say I connected my Dropbox and I want to upload this file. This is my, what I can do is I can click this and I can import as file, and it'll directly take it from my Dropbox. That way I don't have to re-download and re-upload it. So there we go. So now that's been submitted. So that's revision 3. And Another way to submit a file is to directly upload it from your computer. So I can directly upload a file from here. I can upload this file right here, summer reading, submit that. That's another way to do it. And then the third way is to directly create something. So you can actually type up your response right here. So say she wanted me to provide a mock-up, and I can actually type in, okay, first point, blah, blah, blah. I can use bullet points if I wanted to, or whatever, right? So, and then once you're done with that, you can submit that, or you can save it as a draft. I went ahead and submitted it. But those are the 3 different ways to submit assignments. And there you go. So that's your deep dive into assignments. And go ahead and leave a comment if you have questions.